Hello everyone and welcome to my math teacher. The equation here, square root x minus 1 over x plus square root of 1 minus 1 over x equal x. Of course, we should have x greater than 1 for this equation to be defined. And let's try solving for x. If we try squaring both sides, this will yield for a much complicated equation, so we have to try another way. First, let's starting by rewriting x minus 1 over x plus square root of 1 minus 1 over x equal x to be an equation 1. And let's try finding another equation. So here square root of x minus 1 over x plus square root 1 minus 1 over x. Let's multiply both sides by square root of x minus 1 over x minus square root 1 minus 1 over x, and this will be x times, so again here square root of x minus 1 over x minus square root 1 minus 1 over x and multiplied by x. So if we simplify here, this is a minus b, a plus b will give us a squared minus b squared, and remember that radical a squared is a. So here we'll get x minus 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x equal x multiplied by square root x minus 1 over x minus square root 1 minus 1 over x. So here minus 1 over x plus 1 over x get 0, then x minus 1 equal x multiplied by the factor here. So let's divide both by x. If we divide by x, and here we divide by x, we'll get x over x plus here minus 1 over x equal square root of x minus 1 over x minus square root of 1 minus 1 over x. And here x over x is 1, so we can replace it by 1. So here 1 minus 1 over x, and this is equation 2. Now let's add 1 and 2, add equation 1 plus equation 2. This will give, we have x, so now x plus 1 minus 1 over x, we can write it minus 1 over x plus 1 equal, and here square root of x minus 1 over x and the square root of x minus 1 over x will give us 2 square root x minus 1 over x, and here plus the square root of 1 minus 1 over x and the minus will get 0. So this is a new equation. Now here we have x minus 1 over x and here x minus 1 over x. So let y equal x minus 1 over x. Then we'll get here y plus 1 equal 2 square root y. And now squaring both sides, so let's squaring here both sides, we'll get y plus 1 square, y squared plus 2y plus 1 equal 4y, and then subtracted minus 4y, subtract minus 4y, we'll get y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals 0. Now y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals 0, we can write it as y minus 1 squared equal 0, which implies only one solution, one double solution, y equal 1. Y equal 1, let's replace back y, which is here x minus 1 over x equal 1. If we multiply by x, then we'll get x squared minus 1 equal x. And this implies x squared minus x minus 1 equal 0. To solve this equation, let's find delta, which is b squared minus 4ac equal b squared minus 1 squared minus 4 times minus 1, which is, so here b squared is 1 minus plus 4 equal 5. 5 is positive, so we have two solutions. X1 equal minus b minus radical delta over 2a, which is 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But this is a negative, this negative, and we should have x greater than 1, so this solution is rejected. The other solution, x equal minus b plus radical delta over 2a minus b plus square root delta over 2a, which is 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, which is around 1.6, is greater than 1. So this is the accepted solution. So the only solution is x equal 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. If you want to improve your math, just like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.